Hello Felipe and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana and today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do immediately to boost the traffic to your website. So right now I am looking at yours and anything that you have in here is considered content. So all of the text, the images, if you were to have videos, so you have a description and a gallery really of the different services that you provide. So the bathroom, the kitchen, others. You have links to your social media accounts, and phone here and email address. So there are few things that you can do actually to improve the user experience. You can add a click to call button. You can add a contact us form. You could have you can actually add a little bit more content into the front page, and this is just to make it easier for anyone using a mobile to reach out to you. In terms of the amount of content, right now you have 216 words. And really what you want is to have more content with more relevant keywords. And keywords are anything that people search for in Google when they want to buy a product or a service. So you want to sprinkle those keywords in your front page so that Google can actually find you for those keywords and more importantly, can rank you, right? If I have a look at your competitors, so GVD Renovations, this is their landing page for bathroom remodeling Sacramento. Right now, they have 3,569 words, just content for their bathroom remodeling. So throughout this landing page for bathroom, they are able to push a lot more content and a lot more organic keywords. If I have a look at Yancy, they have 1,409 words. So their landing page is simple, easy to navigate, but they are able to push through more keywords as well. So now let's have a look at the Google search. I type in here bathroom remodel Sacramento. Usually Google shows us the ads here, and the ads are good at driving traffic, but they can be turned off and they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. Now the second section is the GMBs, and GMBs are driving 40% of the traffic. So they're having a massive impact on businesses. Now, to rank at the top, you need 3 things. You need pictures, such as the ones here. For example, Jancy, they have their pictures in their GMB. You need reviews. You need citations. And citations is anywhere your business is listed on a directory, such as Yellow Pages, showing the business name, address, and phone number, and those details need to match those in your Google profile so that Google can verify you and can rank you at the top. Here, for example, you can see that they have Google Ads as well because this GMP section is driving a lot of traffic for businesses. Now let me go back to the Google search. The third section is the organic search, and to rank at the top, you need first to be found by Google through content, but second, you need backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and it's showing me that you have 27 backlinks in 5 referring domains. That is 27 links in 5 external websites directing traffic towards your website. Let's have a look at your competitors. So GVD Renovations, they have 65 backlinks in 42 referring domains, and this is only for the bathroom remodeling landing page. And if I have a look at Yancy, they have 162 backlinks in 54 referring domains. The most important message here is that not all backlinks are created equal, in the sense that if those backlinks are sitting on websites that are relevant to your niche and to the services that you provide, Google has ways to verify this and will give you extra credits and extra points and will rank you at the top. Now, the other section is the organic keywords. Right now, this tool says that you are not being ranked for any keyword. Let's have a look at GVD Renovations. It says that it is being ranked for 262 keywords. So if I look at those keywords, this view shows me those keywords. Now the volume is the number of times those keywords were searched for per month, and the position column shows me in which position they are appearing in the Google search. Anything beyond the 10th position means that that website is already on the second page of Google and it's actually having very few visits. And I highlighted here those that are buyer intent keywords related to Sacramento. And if you add this volume, it's close to 600, a little bit over 600, bathroom remodel Sacramento, bathroom remodeling Sacramento, Sacramento, so different combinations of those keywords. It means that that website was in front of that volume, we can add that volume at the end of the month, and then a percentage of those actually click on their link, ended up in their website, another percentage reach out to them, and another percentage, depending on their closing rate, they were able to convert into customers and to increase their revenue and grow their business. So that's why it is important to first include more content in your website, targeting specific keywords that are going to drive more traffic, increase the ranking on the Google Business Profile, and also add more backlinks directing traffic towards your website. If you like what you saw in this video, please feel free to go ahead and use it and implement it in your own. Otherwise, I would be more than happy to hear from you. My contact details are at the bottom of this email. All I am asking in return is for your feedback. I really want to know if these videos are adding value. Thank you so much. Bye bye.